to see you today. Today is actually Saturday, September 12th, 2020. Happy birthday, Petra. All right, so yeah, I'm not normally here on weekends, but every now and then I am, so yay. So my Annie's card making kit is what I want to show you today. I had canceled because it's too expensive in Canada to, you know, with the exchange rate and everything. So I canceled, but they had said that they had already started processing my next order, so I could, when I received it, I could write return to sender, you know, refused, whatever, and then they would refund my money. But curiosity is just a wicked, wicked thing sometimes. So I got the package yesterday, and I just have to open it. I have to see what's in there. And I know some of you like to look at what they send. So, all right. The last one was fall themed. And actually, I'll show you some of the cards. I already showed you in a video, I believe, but hang on a second here. I'll just show you some of the cards that I made again. I mean, they're cute, you know. There's that one. There's that one. And then this one. And there was another one, but I sent it out in friend mail. And then this is from another kit that they had sent me. I made that one. So now I'm thinking, what is in this one? Could it be Halloween? I don't know. Should we look? Oh, just to tell you also, I have a couple of things I crocheted that I'm pretty excited about. I'll be showing those this coming week. All right, so, all right. Oh, and I got so many wonderful comments on my last tutorial, that little top, the summer top that can be made into a dress. I'm still working on making it into a dress, and I will show that when that's done. I'm also working on a pattern test for someone, and I'm excited about that, and I'm about halfway done the item now, so I guess all this stuff is going to come up this week. Okay, so let's take a look. I just slit the top open. I don't know, can you see anything? I don't really want to look. Probably can't see anything. All right, pull it out. Is it Halloween? So far I see a cardboard. Oh, special offer from other companies you may enjoy. Huh. Well, I will just have to, I'm going to open that right now. I see this is not Halloween stuff. Okay, so let me just see, because I thought if it was Halloween stuff, there's somebody that I would like to send some of it to, but it's not. Hey, what is all this? Oh, a bunch of flyers. A bunch of little flyers and things. Oh my. Buy one box, get one free of 120 checks. Oh my gosh, are they just advertising for... I thought maybe it would be crafting stuff. That's not crafting stuff. That's not crafting. There's a toilet. That's not crafting. Another toilet. Is that the same thing? Yes, it is. What is all this garbage they're sending me? That's cute. Look, it's got a little, like a little village, Christmassy village inside. Oh, so cute. Okay. And this one is a little Rudolph's Christmas town. That's cute. Okay, Women Within. This is clothing and stuff. Okay, well that's a little different. But then there's another envelope here, free gift for new and renewing members. They're trying to get me back. Trying to get me back. I didn't expect to. AARP? No. Okay. That was funny. Strange indeed. Okay, so, okay, my scissors. Get this open, see what's in the bag. I was so hoping it'd be like Halloween decorations, or not decorations, but, you know, craft supplies. Okay. So let's see what we want to look at first. Oops. Okay. Oh dear. All right. Fall foliage. So it's still fall. This month's technique is layering again. So I'll show you a little bit. Yeah. All right, let's look at the paper they sent. Flowers and stuff like that. And some leaves. Some polka dotty things. What are those? They're polka dotty things. And 2 sheets of these things you just poke out or push out. Flowers and leaves and stuff. And then there's 2 more sheets of thankful for you and thankful, grateful, blessed. Oh, I am so thankful for everything good in my life, and that includes you. Okay. Oh, here's another one. This is kind of all right. Kind of all right. This is another paper, and then there's some stripey-doos and this. Okay, so that's what they sent there, and some cardstock, very light, salmon-y kind of cardstock, and the envelopes, and then they sent some of the ribbon and the cordage to decorate with. These are very pretty color. They're kind of like a burgundy kind of. And I see something else in here. All right. I'm gonna open it and see what it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. Can we see these things? Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, I had a white. If it'll look good on white. Let's see. Maybe it will. These, to me, they almost look like seeds, but they're, I don't know, they're little. Oh, I don't know if you can see them in there. I guess they're, glare. Some kind of decoration-y thingies. It's kind of hard to see them. They almost look like, they look like, oh my gosh, wait a minute. What are they made out of? They feel metal. Oh no, I'm so curious. Is it gonna show them in here? Of course not. They kind of look like thumbtacks, but with the bottom part of them split so you can squeeze them together. I'm trying to open this little baggie. Okay. Like, I'm not sure what those are for. I didn't see it in the little pamphlet here. Oh, I don't know if I could hold these for you guys to see. Can you see that? I know people put Oh, white paper. Oh, that's really blurry. Is it not going to focus? Oh, maybe right there. Almost like a nail with the bottom of it split. I can't see the split in this one. I might have closed it up. Duh. Okay, well, I don't know. I really don't know what those are for. Okay, so there is something else here. There are stamps. That's quite a few stamps. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if I'm going to make cards or if I'm going to send some of the stuff off in Happy Mail. I don't know. But I was really hoping it would be Halloween stuff. It'd be fun to make some Halloween cards. Of course, I have so many sheets of paper that I need to use, and yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm going to a craft along this coming week, and I'm so excited. And you know what? I think I'm going to take quite a bit of this stuff with me. Yeah, I'm going to share. Okay. One of the ladies said, I have everything you'll ever need. You don't need to bring anything. I'm going to bring stuff. All right. Stuff is in crafting supplies and stuff to eat. So that's it for the Annie's card making kit for this month. And that's the last one because I find they're too expensive. Yeah. And I don't really like that they put all those flyers in here. I mean, if they were crafting flyers, like craft supplies flyers, then that would have been okay. Like all these are just going to go into my recycle bin. Every one of them. Yeah. So how is everyone doing? What's the weather like where you are? It's, last time I looked, it was 22 Celsius, which is 72 Fahrenheit. So that's really nice for us here in Winnipeg. It's a beautiful day out there. I've been outside a couple of times, just kind of sat on the steps and, you know, watched people walk by or ride their bikes, you know, things like that. Yeah, it's really nice. My kitchen window is open right now. Huggles. Hi, Huggles. Yeah, baby. My little Huggles is in the window. And little Minnie. Where's little Minnie? Do you guys remember Minnie? She was like so small and she would come up here and she'd get into everything and I'd hold her and she'd, you know, want to get away. She was just so tiny. Well, she's a year old. She was a year in August. Yeah, I can't believe we've had her since October, I think. So, yeah. It's almost a year we've had her already, the little runt. She was 1 pound back then. Yeah. And there she is. She's eating. So, yeah. Thank you so much for joining me today. And, oh, I'm going to show you these little guys, okay? Careful. Hi, Huggles. Hi, sweetie. You want to say hi to our YouTube family? Me, Huggles? How old are you? You're over 4 years old now. You must be close to 4.5. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Pretty girl. Hi, little Minnie. You used to be a 1 pound wonder. Yeah. Now you're bigger than Huggles. She likes to lay on the chairs under the table. I just vacuumed off the chairs a couple of days ago. Yeah, and you're messing them up again with all your hair. Yeah. Yes, you're a pretty girl, Minnie.